Clear Crystal Vision, the revolutionary supplement that can transform your visual experience and enhance your everyday life. In this video, we will explore what Clear Crystal Vision is, how it works, its key ingredients, and the remarkable benefits it offers. Before buying a Clear Crystal Vision, there is some info you need to know about it. There is only one official website authorized to sell Clear Crystal Vision. Buying from any other website may lead to regrets and potential issues. To assist you, I have provided the official link in the description of this video. Simply click the link below to be redirected to the official website of Clear Crystal Vision. Clear Crystal Vision is an advanced supplement designed to support and optimize your visual health. Our team of experts has carefully formulated a blend of powerful ingredients to provide comprehensive support for your eyes. So, how does Clear Crystal Vision work? The secret lies in its meticulously selected ingredients. Clear Crystal Vision combines a potent mix of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and herbal extracts, all known for their beneficial effects on visual health. By nourishing your eyes with these essential nutrients, Clear Crystal Vision helps to maintain optimal eye function and supports overall eye health. It works synergistically to promote clarity, sharpness, and visual acuity, allowing you to see the world with utmost clarity and precision. Since I started taking Clear Crystal Vision, I've noticed a remarkable improvement in my visual clarity. It's as if the world has become more vibrant and detailed. I highly recommend it to anyone looking to enhance their vision naturally. Clear Crystal Vision is not just about maintaining healthy vision, it's about unlocking your visual potential. Imagine reading your favorite book with ease, enjoying outdoor activities with enhanced depth perception, and experiencing vibrant colors and sharp details in your daily life. Clear Crystal Vision can make all of this possible and more. Our commitment to quality is of utmost importance. Clear Crystal Vision is produced in state-of-the-art facilities, adhering to strict quality standards. Each batch undergoes rigorous testing to ensure purity, potency, and safety. We take pride in using premium, natural ingredients sourced from trusted suppliers. Clear Crystal Vision is free from artificial additives, fillers, and unnecessary substances. It is a pure and reliable supplement you can trust. Clear Crystal Vision, unlock your visual potential and embrace a world of clarity and vibrancy. Clear Crystal Vision is manufactured in the USA, GMP certified facility, FDA approved, and non-GMO. Every bottle of Clear Crystal Vision comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you are dissatisfied with your results for any reason, simply return the bottles, no questions asked refund. So, what are you waiting for? Visit the official website now. Thanks for watching.